Alright guys, coming at you today with a tour of the Bonce DB MX-80s. These are some of the loudest, clearest mids I've heard. So I wanted to share these with you with a little tour. Sorry the contrast was a little off, but anyway, I'm going to bust these things open so you can see what you'll get in the package when you buy some of these. Tons of people were using these over in Russia when I went over there. See what this looks like. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys to look it out. All right, see if we can get it to refocus. Okay, show you guys when you buy some of these what you'll get in the package. So, Alfred sticker, Bonce sticker, real nice. Warranty card, and owner's manual on how to wire up your speakers. If you don't know how, this would be a good thing for you to read through. Focus. There we go. Alright, as you can see, the frequency response to these are 110 hertz up to 10,000. Ferrite magnet. And the mounting depth is 87 millimeters. Rated at 150 watts RMS. If you've seen anything Bonce so far, you know their ratings are underrated, to say the least. Anyway, let's get these speakers out and show you what they look like. You can see right when I let the cover up. Let's see what they're looking like. And these are some beefy 8s right here. I want to say these are the ones that Alexander was running in his Hummer when I got the demo of his loud sound Hummer over there. And they are a perfect blend of in between. Some vocals play really highs, like really high in the frequency range really well, or they'll play really like on the mid bass. But these are a perfect blend, like they're right in the middle, so they'll give you a good amount of mid bass, but they'll also give you a good amount of vocals as well. So it's a perfect blend of the two different ones. I mean, two different styles, sorry. So this is what they look like. I really like that. It's pretty cool. Alright. So from the back, you can see the magnet cover back here, displaying the Alfred DB MX-80 model, 150 watts, 8-inch. These are in 4 ohm. Looking very nice. Pretty cool push terminals. I don't think I've seen push terminals like this, with the rounded bottoms on them. Sorry, my camera's struggling. It must know, my phone knows that I'm about to replace it with a 10X. I actually have it in there. I was just waiting on my cover to case, or my case to come in. So as you can see on the side of the box right here, 4 ohm. These are 8s, all that good stuff. But if you want to see me do a video playing these so you can hear for yourself how great they are, leave a comment below. If you'd like to grab some of these, you can do so at downforsoundshop.com, your #1 source for Bonce or all Alfred Group products. This company is doing very well, very high quality, and you will not be disappointed. Your baby out there doing work. She's pressing the shirts. Anyway, alright guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Let me know if you want to see them in action, if you want to hear them play. I can make that happen. Man, my phone is struggling on the contrast. What's up with that? Alright, anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Appreciate you watching. Do me a favor and share this. I'd greatly appreciate it.
Coming down your block, knocking pictures off the wall. So on Front Street, riding, bagging bitches out the mall on the giant high. Just like Gucci Mane, I'm riding giant fly. You should see they heads